How to update resume on ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ZipRecruiter.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile name drop down on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Manage Profile option. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the tab for CV. Make sure that you will only be able to update a resume if you have previously uploaded your resume. So, to update the resume, tap on the Change option you see there and further select the file that you want to change your resume to. Now, wait for the attachment to upload, and once uploaded, scroll down to the bottom until you see the Update Profile button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, your resume will be updated successfully. So, this is how you can update resume on ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.